Hello everyone, welcome back to my video today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to automatically boost engagement on your Facebook posts. And to do this, we'll need to use a tool called Marketing Error. This tool will help you manage multiple Facebook accounts just like I have here. And these Facebook accounts will automatically like, comment, or reply to the posts you want. To automatically like and comment to boost engagement on your posts, we'll select the seeding function here. Next, we'll select the account we want to use for seeding. OK. Then, we'll choose the interval between two actions, for example, if you want to react with a heart or a like, and then comment. Here, I'll set it from 9 to 10 seconds. Next, here we have options to interact with profiles, posts, videos, live streams, and reels. Next, today I'll be guiding everyone on how to interact with posts. I've selected Interact with Posts. Next, let's enter the post ID here. And how do we get the ID? You come over here, we'll copy the link and convert it to a new ID. OK, after we have the new ID, we copy it and return to the tool, paste it here, save it, and then set the parameters for the number of posts we want to seed. Next, you'll need to choose whether you want to drop a like, a heart, or a wow reaction. Here, I'll choose to drop a heart. And next, we have the comment section here. There you go, you can use AI to comment. I'll use AI to comment as well. OK, next, after that, I'll press start. And I'll leave everything else for the tool to handle. All I need to do is wait for my post to get more engagement. OK, you can see the software is running here. There you go, it has found the post. It will automatically like and comment. OK, the post has been liked. There you go, it's been commented on. OK, let's get back to the article. OK, let's go back out. There you go, you can see it here. See, the post already has comments and likes here. OK, very quick, isn't it? If you're interested, you can message me directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. Hi everybody,